Hi, my name is Chris Horton, and today we are on a NauticStar 2302 Legacy dual console. This one's equipped with a Simrad 9-inch GPS fish finder, stainless steel rocker switches, infinity stereo, trim tabs with trim tab indicators, bolster seats, the bow filler cushion up front, bimini top, the passenger seat here adjusts to give you more access in the back for seating, the table, and if you want to fish, you still have a live well over here. It's powered by a 200 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke, and if you buy before the end of August, I will give you an additional 2-year warranty on the motor. Solid surface countertop with a freshwater spray. If you have any questions, please call me at 850-974-6032.